If your payee has the rush delivery option, you can process a payment faster than the standard rate. Click the Options icon for the payee and then click the Rush Delivery button. Enter the amount and select an account to withdraw from using the Pay From dropdown. Select a delivery option, which includes details about the payment and any associated charges. If you choose to send a check, select an address on file or enter a new address. Click the Next button. If using a new address, enter the payee's phone number, street address, and city. Select the payee state using the drop-down, enter their zip code, and click the Next button. Review the payment summary and fee debit authorization, and click the Accept and Submit button when you are finished.